Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I'm here with hashtag Artisan Journal Prompts 2024, hosted by Life with Patty. This, of course, is book 2. I am 2 weeks behind, so this will be week 33, 34, and this week's 35. And week 34 was sweets, so I got some stickers, got one of my backgrounds, and got them stickers on there, and you got the sweet pie. Look at that, yummy, yummy. Ice cream, cotton candy, cupcakes, ice cream, and that's my sweet page. I think it's kind of cool. And then week 34 was woodland creatures, and I didn't have a lot of wood creatures, so I had used some Dollar Tree stickers. I had an owl and a little raccoon up in the tree and a deer and a chipmunk and a fox. And I painted this tree, and I know it's hard to see. I used one of my backgrounds so you can see some blue coming through. And then this week's was movie cinema. So a week ago, or will be a week, this Thursday, I went with Diamond and Sam and all the grands, and we went to the outdoor theater, which is called Field of Scenes. We went and saw a feature, which they ran one movie and got a request from a lot of their people that go out to the outdoor theater to actually do the first one and then the newest one. And no, it was not Top Gun, because nobody thought of it during Top Gun, because that would have been cool, actually. Wasn't it, Allie?
Yeah.
But everybody was for Twister. So, we went and the first movie they played was Twister, and then they went to Twisters. And I have to admit, I loved the first Twister movie anyways. But the second one, Twisters, I thought it was really good. The only complaint I have is I do wish they would have mentioned Billy and, I can't think of her name. I know her real name, Helen Hunt. I don't remember her character name after right now. Joe. I wish they would at least mention Joe and Billy in Twisters. That's all I gotta say. And they didn't. Even if they didn't, because Bill Paxton's gone. But even if they kind of just mentioned them a little bit, like, and if you, I don't want to give it up because maybe you guys haven't seen it, but I just wish they would have kind of added them in some scene, like talking about them or something. That's all.
Or maybe like a picture in the background.
Or something, because there is a scene where they're looking through a bunch of stuff.
Stuff.
Yeah, stuff in a barn. They could have I remember Joe and Billy Hardin mentioned this back in da-da-da-da. Something, just to kind of play them in there. Just a tad. But, so, that is my week 33, 34, and 35. Please go check out the other ladies. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.
Bye.
That was Allie.